Izindaba nje ezithi mazibe ebhlungu kulonyaka ilezi zokuthi icontract ka General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi wakhona la kwaZulu Natal iyaphela. And ekukancaneke ukuthi uCyril noma uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa ayivuselele ngoba even naye igama lakhe lavela lapha kuMadlanga Commission. Igama lakhe lavela uKhethi waliveza ubona uKhethi nje sebeyomvalela lapha ya ejele angazi kuthiwe lase Eastern Cape yini. Lavela igama la Cyril Ramaphosa ukuthi wayenikeza uKhethi Matlala amathenda with 3 different IDs. So angikholwa ukuthi uRamaphosa uzoyivuselela icontract ya General Mkhwanazi ngoba naye wathinteka ama comrade aka ANC omchuno bathinteka abangakaboshwa kuze kube namanje. Into efanele siyibheke abantu base South Africa ukumasha nokumasha lokwesikwenzayo siyabona kusebenzi akusebenzeni ngani zakwethu. Lama peaceful march esiwenzayo awasebenzeni ngane zakwethu. Okubhlungu ukuthi ke uMkhwanazi njengamanje he's alone. Useyedwa. Bazamxosha nje and then he will be attacked. Yawazi mina ama comrade lawo. Yawazi ama comrade akagogo they are coming after uMkhwanazi. Yona into ebhlungu ke lesi yabantu bale South Africa nilindile nakhona ukuthi baze kukuphele icontract ya General Mkhwanazi bengaboshiwe omchuno. Bengaboshiwe oJulius Mkhwanazi. Bangaboshiwe bonke laba bavele kuMadlanga Commission. Kumanje uRamaphosa ugodlile ulekethi hayi bonke abambandakanya bazaboshwa. Bayacula bafuna nje nina nehlisa imoya. Ngoba njalo nifike nibhikishe ngento kuqhuma amamashi lama peaceful march useless enu. Angathi ngiyabuka mina June 16 kube babenza ama peaceful march ukuthi ngabe khona yini okwalunga. Ayikho into elungayo ngokwenza peaceful march. Sisuke si waste isikhathi nisimoshela isikhathi ngalonto. Nisimoshela energy kahle ama peaceful march lawa kahle ayacontrolwa mina mengwabheka. Lama peaceful march enziwa ngamabomu ukuze abantu ba South Africa bezokhalima down. Namanje nilinde kuze kuphele icontract ya General Mkhwanazi kungakaboshwa umuntu omchunu bengakaboshwa. ORamaphosa bengakachaza ukuthi how come upresident abe na 3 different IDs. Nanokuthi amathenda lawo yenikeza uKhethi Matlala kwakwenze njani. South Africa is run by ama mafias njengamanje. Mongakaboni wena hayi usokude ukubona. ISouth Africa iphethwe izigebengu. Ungazi ukuthi omacingwane ezetshela uRamaphosa na uRamaphosa evuma ukuthi akudisbandwe ipolitical task team ngobani. Siyokhethwe nje. Kunamakhansela azabefa nje ebulawa nje. Ebulawa koze kophela unyaka. Wonke umuntu ozo-electwa njenganekhansela impilo yakhe izobe sengcupheni. Bese siba nabantu abaqeda nge-political task team la eSouth Africa. Ayasazi ngane zakwethu. Manisalele ngalendlela le kudlalwe ngane ngalendlela bese nintoni khohliswa ngalabantu abenza ama peaceful march ngeke lilungizwe.
Will Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi's contract be renewed? Many South Africans have been asking what will happen when the KZN Police Commissioner's contract comes to an end. That will be in March this year. Well, that question was addressed by the Premier of KZN while speaking to the media. Premier Thami Ntuli made it clear he would gladly give Police Commissioner Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi the thumbs up for a contract renewal, but the final decision will rest on Mkhwanazi himself. Ntuli said he has long been on record praising Mkhwanazi's leadership, describing him as a police leader with integrity who has brought stability to the KZN province. According to the Premier, the aggressive approach to fighting fighting crime and visible impact of policing under Mkhwanazi's command leave him with no reason to think otherwise. From the province's side, Ntuli says there is full confidence and satisfaction with the work being done, and if continuity were up to him, he would support it without hesitation. Whether Mkhwanazi chooses to stay on, however, will be his call. Also, the National Commissioner is the one who will decide on the renewal with input from political heads. So, do you think Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi's contract should be renewed, and will it actually be renewed?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. We all know ukuthi i-contract General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, it's coming to an end on March 2026 kulo mnyaka, and people are really worried will they renew his contract. Nah, and abantu abaningi bayabona ukuthi and it seems like ngeke contract Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi renew because of not wanting corruption, because of exposing my government officials la corrupt, including yona president yethu uCyril Ramaphosa. So people are just saying ukuthi bayabona nje ukuthi contract yakhe ngeke ize renew. We know ukuthi South Africa mlo iyenda tindo ngendlela lonto tindo ngendlela lesemthethweni lungayifuni corruption o akasurvive nje angeke nje azaphathe. So people are really worried and people are heartbroken ukuthi what will become of South Africa. Kuyowendakala ngeSouth Africa shothi siyoqhubeka njena iyoqhubeka radi corruption iqhubeke kudliwe imali tasetibhedlela kwento emihwerehwere bente bugebengu bani labaphethe kungabi indaba zalutho because uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi naye utobe sikangasekho esikhundleni. Do comments ukuthi oniqabangani ngokukhishwa kwaNhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Do you think ukuthi i-contract yakhe batoyi-renew, or do you think ukuthi nawe ngeke baze bayi-renew uma seyiphela ngoMarch? Mina nawe siyobonana on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.